Hey guys, what is up? It is Grace Tori here, and today I'm going to be showing you a room tour. It's not completely finished, so there's a couple boxes. Obviously, I wanted to show you guys kind of an update of what it looks like now. So if you can tell, I'm wearing the same outfit as I was in my last video. That's because I'm filming a ton of videos now that I only put on makeup to film. It's kind of dumb to only do it for 5 minutes. So yo, it's your girl. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna show you around my room. Okay guys, so we are currently at the door and we just walked in my room. So first we are going to go over here and look at Caspy. This is Caspy's little area. This is his little cage. He just chills out, right buddy? Really doesn't do much. He's really funny when I get him out, but when he's in his cage he just kind of chills. So that's my boy. He's got his little salt minerals. And yeah, he's just hanging out right now. So once we leave Caspy, we go over here. This is his food, his hay, some schoolwork that I have. This is where I keep my camera. And then all of my main palettes are under it. And this is my dresser. So I have The World Is Yours to Explore, Weekly To Do, with a board that I just got. It's actually ombre, I don't know if you can see it. And I kind of want to get lights to put up here, but I don't have enough, or I don't have enough motivation. I can't tell. I can probably find some. So this is my dresser. I have my daily meds, which we definitely need to be taking, especially right now. Shane Dawson, the lip gloss kit, all my scrunchies, nail polish, hand sanitizer, lotion, makeup bag. All the rest of my makeup is in here. Brushes, this little rose quartz thing that actually really works, highly recommend. Contacts, glasses. This is a picture of me and Evie that they took of us at Starbucks one day. Really random. But these are all of Evie's dog treats, and then right here we have Caspy's dog treats. And I actually got this at a vintage pet store. So it's a wine bottle, but it has lights, and the cork is the lights. So it's really cool. Got it for $12. These are all of the books that I am currently reading or have read, plan to reread. So I have all of those sitting here. This is my school side of my dresser. So these are notes that my friend wrote for me. This one says for when you're having a bad day, and it's when you're having a good day, and so on. These are all of my pens now that I'm going to be living at home. I took all of it out of my backpack and put it in there. Binder clips, all the stuff I use. This is a check it off to-do list someone got me for Christmas. It has little nice quotes. I don't know. I think this is a makeup concept I was gonna do. We're not gonna talk about that. Yeah, it just has to-dos on one side and notes on the other. My calendar, just like your regular calendar, got it from Walmart. And then finally, we're just gonna there's my guitar, but we're not gonna do this corner because it's boxes. So that just leaves my bed. Yeah, my room's really tiny. So this is my bed. I don't have a comforter. I just realized the sheet's falling off over there, so ignore. It's a mess. But I got Simba. And then there is all of my stickers on my laptop. And this is my favorite. So I just put up these lights, and then these are pictures, so I'll get up there. I love vision boards, and this is something that I've always done, is have one above my bed. So there are all kinds of pictures, like skincare, YouTube, play button, body goals. There's one of me with one of my friends, positive quotes. Just stuff that I'm aiming towards. And then this is kind of another vision board, but it's black and white. So basically that's literally my whole corner. And then I just hung this. These are from Target and these are from Walmart. Kind of gives it a little Italian cafe vibe. I don't know, night under the stars. Makes me really, really happy. So yeah. Okay, I think this lighting is really, really yellow, so I'm so sorry I don't have my light on since it was a room tour. But basically, thank you so much for watching. My room's kind of tiny. If you want to see more of DIYs and stuff as I get it together, let me know down below. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you really want it. It would mean the world to me. I will see you guys the day after tomorrow. I love you.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.